Looking for precision, clarity, and full control in your electronics work? Meet the 1-150X Digital Microscope camera set, an industrial-grade inspection tool built for professionals. Equipped with a Sony 2MP1/2.8 CMOS sensor, this microscope captures ultra-clear 48MP images and records 4K videos. With an adjustable zoom lens offering up to 150x magnification, you can inspect solder joints, components, and circuits with unmatched detail. HDMI and Type-C outputs allow seamless real-time viewing. Whether you connect to a monitor or a PC using ImageView software, you'll get precise measurements like angles, radii, and line distances, all with millimeter-level accuracy. Enjoy features like manual and auto exposure, customizable white balance, electronic zoom, and a 16-line grid overlay for accurate alignment. Want to freeze your frame? One-click freeze/thaw makes it simple. All your images and videos can be saved directly to a TF card, up to 64 GB supported. With remote control support, you'll capture images without touching the device. No shake, no blur. The build? CNC machined aluminum alloy housing ensures durability, while the flexible folding metal stand gives you total positioning control with 360 degrees rotation, 180 degrees reach, and 270 degrees angle movement, perfect for soldering PCBs or microcomponents. Need great lighting? The included 56 LED ring light provides consistent, bright white illumination with a color temperature of 6500 K, ideal for fine detail work. Compact, powerful, and incredibly versatile, this microscope set is your complete inspection solution for lab work, electronics repair, jewelry, and more.